Hi everybody and welcome to the Chibitronics YouTube channel. I'm Allison Cope and today we'll be making a blinking mushroom card. Let's get going. I have already colored and cut out all of my card pieces. We're going to be making some flaps. We've got some cute little jewels, and one of the jewels actually has a hole underneath it so light can admit through those jewels. We are going to be using our animating LED stickers, our gem-shaped white blink stickers. I'm just using a pencil to locate where I want my light to shine through the image. They eventually will be tucked underneath that smaller portion up the top. I'm just going to use a hole punch here to punch the holes so my light emits through those holes. I've also indicated them on my card base. We're just going to trace in, actually we don't even need to trace in. We can just pull the backer sticker off of our battery holders and we're going to stick it down to the card base to begin our circuit. I'm going to use our craft stencil and locate all 4 of our animating stickers today. I'm just using a marker to trace the shape of our stickers through our stencil, and this just helps with positioning our tape for our circuit and also our stickers. There we go. I'm also going to use our stencil now to create our actual lines for our circuit. We're going to start with the positive side, in this case indicated with a red pen. We're going to connect all of the positive sides, or the fat sides, of our stickers, and that line also needs to be connected to the upper flap of our battery holder because our circuit needs to go in and touch the top of our battery. So I'm just going to connect it to that line going to the inside flap. And there we go, is our positive side. We're going to create the negative side of our circuit now with a blue pen. I try to put my joints in between the stickers. It just makes it easier to create. Now we also need to connect that circuit to the inside of our battery holder, and I'm just going to do that by creating a T-joint. I'm going to connect our stickers now, and all it is a peel and stick. You can put the stickers first and then add the tape, or you can do it the other way around and put your tape down first and then add your stickers. Either way, both sides of the stickers are conductive of electricity, so it doesn't matter if you do stickers first and tape later. We're going to use our conductive fabric tape to create that bond between all of our stickers and our battery. It's very easily cuttable with just a pair of scissors. And to make it really easy, all it does is take a couple of finger presses to get it to stick down. Our one last step of creating the negative side is to make sure that it goes in and underneath the battery. So we're going to take it all the way into our little battery holder. Let's create the positive side. So like I said earlier, the conductive fabric tape needs to be on the inside of that little battery holder. So we're going to start on the inside and go out and around the flap. And then we're going to continue on to touch all 4 of our LED light stickers. And we just lay that tape right across. Just give it a press with your finger. And that's our circuit. It really is that easy. It's just a lot of stickers making a great circuit to create your light up card. And 1, 2, 3, snip, and our positive side our circuit is complete. We're going to add the C-shaped foam on the inside of our battery holder. This just helps contain our battery so that it doesn't slide out. And also allow us to create a switch by pressing the top. It connects everything to the circuit and to the battery, and our lights glow. Let's assemble the actual colorful part of our card. I just created a flap. So this part of the card just flips open to see the circuit. There we go, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to add the topper part of this. And I'm going to hold everything on by using a piece of Velcro. I decided that there was too much paper at the top there, so I just gave it a snip. All right. And I'm just going to make a few alterations here. Sometimes you just need to do some doctoring on your cards to make sure that everything works properly. I just want to make sure that panel sat nice and flat. And our circuit works, so we're going to add our actual toppers to our mushrooms. I'm just going to use this backer piece to fold it to the back of the card, and we'll cover that. And because we're using some 3D foam, I've actually made a little bit of a three-dimensional bend on the top there. I'm just adding foam to make up for the thickness of the foam in our battery. And there we go. We're going to add our cute little mushroom friends to the front of our card. Thank goodness for foam. And there are two little cuties. And we're going to activate it by pressing the O in the word spore. And of course you can tell your friend, the recipient, where to press to activate that card. Thanks for joining me today. Make sure you check out the Chibitronics shop for all the products used today. Thanks guys, and have a wonderful day.